Did you know that not planning your Tesla route can leave you stranded with zero battery in the middle of nowhere? Or that leaving Sentry Mode on can drain your battery faster than you think? Traveling in a Tesla can be an incredible experience, but there are critical mistakes that can turn your road trip into a nightmare. These are the top 20 mistakes when traveling in a Tesla. First up, at number 20, did you know that not planning your route can leave you stranded? Tesla's navigation is great, but tools like a better route planner give more accurate details on charging times, distances, and weather. Before you leave, charge your Tesla to 100%. Know where the superchargers are along your route and at your destination. If possible, stay at places with EV chargers on site. Why is planning stops important? If one stop is 10 minutes and another is 40, save longer activities like meals for the longer stop. Combine snack and bathroom breaks with charging to minimize downtime. Are you using Tesla's Trip Planner? It maps out your route, charging stops, and provides real-time updates on availability and charging times. This tool helps you plan and adjust your trip for efficiency and less stress. Do you perform pre-trip inspections? Check fluid levels, lights, signals, and brakes before setting off. This helps catch potential issues early and ensures your Tesla is road ready. Number 19. Not optimizing efficiency. Did you know speeding can drain your Tesla's battery faster? Stay under 70 miles per hour to conserve energy. Extra cargo also reduces range, so pack light. Weather conditions matter too. Cold and wet weather can affect your battery, so be conservative with your charging patterns. Have you checked your tire pressure? Properly inflated tires reduce rolling resistance and improve efficiency. Check your tire pressure before long trips to get the most out of your battery. Are you prepared for detours? Even with the best planning, unexpected stops can happen. Keep a buffer in your schedule and battery range to accommodate these changes. Got any other tips or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. Number 18. Not having the proper cables and adapters. Ever found yourself stuck without a charger? Superchargers are convenient, but sometimes you need other options. Do you carry a mobile charger and essential adapters? A mobile charger, though now optional, lets you charge from a standard 110-volt outlet, which can be a lifesaver. What about other adapters? The J1772 adapter is great for public EV charging stations, and a 30-amp adapter is perfect for RV outlets. Consider investing in a CCS adapter for fast charging stations, crucial if superchargers are full or pricey. Staying at a hotel or Airbnb without a dedicated EV charger? Having the right cables lets you plug into a regular outlet, giving you enough charge to reach the nearest supercharger. Call ahead to confirm availability. Some hotels might even reserve a spot for you. Number 17. Leaving battery draining features enabled. Did you know some features can quickly drain your Tesla's battery? Turn off cabin overheat protection and use the vent feature to keep the interior cool. Have you enabled chill mode? It reduces energy use from rapid acceleration. Most importantly, turn off Sentry Mode if you're not near a charger. It's great for security but drains the battery. What about the keep climate on setting? Use it sparingly to save energy. Instead of using the heater excessively, use seat warmers. They're more efficient and keep you comfortable. Number 16. Not understanding supercharging etiquette. Ever wondered why some superchargers are faster? Knowing supercharging etiquette can save time and prevent inconvenience. Teslas with NCA batteries shouldn't charge past 90% for daily driving, and only to 100% when necessary on trips. Why use V3 chargers? They're faster and don't share power. If using a V2 charger, avoid parking next to another car to prevent power splitting. Do you move your car once charged? Busy superchargers often impose idle fees, so keep an eye out on your Tesla app to avoid charges and free up space for others. Number 15. Overcharging. Did you know overcharging at superchargers wastes time and money? Tesla's navigation and apps aim for about 10% battery remaining at the next stop. Charging from a low battery is faster, so unplug at the recommended level to avoid idle fees. Have you noticed charging slows as the battery fills? The last 20% takes as long as the first 80%. It's more efficient to charge around 80% and then move on, saving time. Number 14. Not using Autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) features properly. Are you using Tesla's Autopilot and FSD features to their full potential? Set them up before your trip, including auto lane change and navigation preferences. A comfortable grip on the wheel minimizes autopilot nags, and keeping a foot lightly on the accelerator reduces phantom braking. Autopilot can cut driver fatigue on long highways. Make sure all driver profiles are set correctly and stay updated with Tesla's latest enhancements. Number 13. Not being prepared with essential items. Are you ready for any situation? Carry bug removal spray, a spare tire or inflator, and baby wipes for cleaning. Include a first aid kit, flashlight, basic tools, and a portable power bank. A radar detector can help avoid speeding tickets in unfamiliar areas. Number 12. Ignoring important Tesla tips. Do you know these Tesla tips? Store valuables in the front trunk to deter theft. Precondition your battery for fast charging by setting your destination in the GPS. Use Tesla's Sentry Mode and dashcam features to record incidents. Make sure you have a large USB drive for video footage. If you're learning a lot so far, don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla and tech videos. Number 11. Overlooking tire maintenance. How important is tire maintenance? Check your tire tread and pressure before trips. Underinflated or worn-out tires reduce efficiency and risk blowouts. Carry a portable tire inflator and repair kit. Rotate tires regularly and watch for uneven wear patterns, which indicate alignment issues. Number 10. Not using regenerative braking. Did you know regenerative braking can extend your range? Enable this feature to convert kinetic energy back into battery power, especially in stop-and-go traffic or downhill driving. It reduces brake pad wear and improves driving efficiency, making for a smoother ride. Number 9. Skipping software updates. Are you running the latest Tesla software? Updates improve performance, efficiency, and features like navigation and autopilot. Regularly check for and install updates to get the latest enhancements for your trip. Number 8. Not using energy-saving modes. Did you know Tesla has energy-saving modes? Enable range mode to reduce power consumption and use scheduled departure to precondition your battery. These features help maximize your battery life on long trips. Number 7. Not packing emergency supplies. Are you prepared for emergencies? Pack a kit with a first aid kit, flashlight, blanket, non-perishable food, water, basic tools, and a power bank. This ensures you're ready for any situation, providing peace of mind. Number 6. Not knowing how to use superchargers efficiently. Do you know how to use superchargers efficiently? V3 superchargers are the fastest, delivering up to 250 kilowatts. Always choose V3 when possible for quicker stops. Did you know V2 superchargers share power between paired stalls? Avoid parking next to another Tesla to prevent splitting power and slowing down your charge. Being strategic with superchargers minimizes downtime and maximizes driving time. Number 5. Not taking breaks wisely. Do you plan your breaks wisely? Long road trips can be tiring, so take breaks to stay alert. Plan your breaks around charging stops to stretch, walk, and grab a snack. How can Tesla's navigation help? It suggests optimal charging stops along your route. Use these breaks to recharge yourself, not just your car, to maintain focus and energy. Number 4. Not using Tesla community resources. Have you tapped into the Tesla community? Online forums, social media groups, and apps like PlugShare offer tips, reviews of charging stations, and updates on road conditions. Why join local Tesla owner groups? They provide support and advice from experienced drivers, helping you find the best charging spots and maximize range. Number 3. Not using entertainment options. Feeling bored on long road trips? Tesla offers entertainment options like Tesla Theater for streaming Netflix and YouTube, and Tesla Arcade for games. These features make charging stops more enjoyable. Number 2. Overlooking the importance of comfortable driving. Is your driving position comfortable? Adjust your seat, steering wheel, and mirrors for comfort. Use seat heaters and climate control to maintain a pleasant temperature. Bring neck pillows, lumbar supports, or blankets for extra comfort. And finally, at number 1, not using Tesla's navigation features. Do you use all of Tesla's navigation features? It offers real-time traffic updates, alternative routes, and estimated arrival times. Explore these features to optimize your trip and avoid delays. Why explore nearby amenities? Tesla's navigation can help you find restaurants, rest areas, and attractions, making it easier to plan enjoyable stops. By avoiding these mistakes, you can ensure a smooth, enjoyable, and efficient Tesla road trip. And there you have it, the top mistakes to avoid when traveling in a Tesla. Want a smooth and enjoyable road trip? Plan ahead, optimize efficiency, and be prepared. And if you liked the video, make sure to click on the next one to learn more about Tesla charging basics. Don't leave your EV on charge.